Just thought I'd show you a few things, folks. This here with the shiny leaf, that's all poison oak. Don't touch it if you're allergic to it. This leaf here, that's a chitum tree. If you have constipation, make a tea out of this stuff. Well, this here is a filbert bush. We don't usually get very many filberts off of it. But I just thought I'd show you that. This over here is a thimbleberry. And by the way, yes, that's all a whole bunch of blackberries in here too that I got to get cleaned on out. But these are thimbleberries. They're not looking, I mean, they produced a lot of berries this year, but this rain that we've been getting, the berries aren't looking too healthy. So I don't think we're going to get any thimbleberries. We might get a few. Here's one that's flowering still back here, the thimbleberry. But these ones here, I don't know. We'll wait and see. They might come around. They might do all right. Oops, I just lost a shoe. And we'll come on over here. Yeah, we got blackberries all amongst it. I got to get cleaned on out. But here we got the thimbleberries again there. More thimbleberries there. More thimbleberries there. And of course all the blackberry. We got the bracken fern. These here are the ones that you can, that had the little curlies in the spring that you can eat. I can't remember what they're called. Just showing you guys around the backyard. Yeah, I'll sit back here and it just goes up and up and up. Thick, thick, thick brush you can't get through. That brown ugly stuff. Scotch broom. Yeah, that's a nasty weed, hard to get rid of. And we're getting back in here, we're getting the, can you see all the blackberry? Don't think you can see it on camera, but a bunch of blackberries going on there. Yeah, I'll bet. Would you want to go up on this hillside and pick blackberries? Nah, I didn't think so. Over here, oh, and by the way, all along the back of our house here, blackberries growing all along up there. I got to clean this out and get a skirting around our house. Got to clean that on up. And all these blackberries going up in here. And we'll get some blackberries off of this stuff here, but this is too shaded. We don't get much blackberries on any of this through here. The trail I got that goes back into, well, that's for hunting season. We won't talk about that here. I spoke too soon. Looks like we might have a bunch of blackberries on here, but I hate to say this, but all these blackberries here, I'm hoping to fire up the tractor in the next few days and brush all this stuff on out of here. It's getting too close to the house. Anyway, I just thought I'd kind of show you around. Oh, wow. Look at all them blackberries back on there. Can you see that? I wish I had zoom. Bunch of blackberries on the vine right back there. A lot of them here, but I don't want to wait until fall to start harvesting. I want to clean these on out. There's plenty of other places I can get blackberries. Blackberries all growing underneath the house. Look at that. Man, I got a job to do. I need more time. Am I making you dizzy, folks? girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, yeah. And oh, if you ain't already subscribed to my channel, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and be sure to share it with your friends. Bye.